Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to our Legends TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Devon City 0. I'm joined by Spars.
I'm happy, Bram, for my 3 points. Performance-wise, I'm going to just to improving. And I'm going to the first time you were on when I'm a coach, this is the first time I see that. So I'm happy, bro. I'm a they began impact, whoever I'm forgetting, I'm trying to begin impact. So you can see good at least the lady, the combination of man, but always 70. There were 3, but when I 70, always but you can see good no, this thing they are making it together by 3. It's all of them, they work together. I'm happy with Amasapa, they will impact. But we need to work on this one year to we need to work on this, brother. We're going to 80 minutes. I'm a corner man in Ganji. Just imagine, but we need to work on this. Score is score. Score Amako. We need to score if we have chance. So that's it. Came my pella. Not to speak. He gave us one. I make performance.
Man of the match, boss.
Man of the match, bro. I'm going to get home to. Bro, I'm full good to get win. But I will like good thing I win. Serious name you bro. They can win it, but I hope I win with Bakuma too much. They talk too much. I win it sometimes, bro. Yeah, bro.
Ukraine knows.
I'm none, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.